Good morning, students. Myself Aarti Avle, Geography teacher of Shivaji Group of Institution. Today, I am going to teach Geography first chapter, map reading for class 6. So let us start the chapter. Earth. The Earth is unique planet, the third planet from the Sun. It is the only place in the known universe confirmed to host a life. To more about its features and Earth we have to study, but it is so large that we cannot see the whole Earth and its features at the same time. Hence, a spherical model of the Earth, एक गोलाकार मॉडल, अर्थ का एक गोलाकार मॉडल जिसको हम लोग क्या कहते हैं, ग्लोब कहते हैं. A spherical model of the earth which represent the earth shape. तो ग्लोब क्या होता है बच्चों? It is simply a map printed onto sphere which represent the earth shape and aspect of the earth. It is only an accurate way of showing three-dimensional model of the earth. Now next is map. तो बच्चों आपको पता है मैप वर्ड कहां से लिया गया है? The word map has been derived from Latin word mappa. तो वर्ड मैप बच्चों कहां से लिया गया है? लैटिन वर्ड मैपा से लिया गया है, which means tablecloth, napkins. It indicates that the earlier maps were drawn on cloth, napkin or a tree leaves. Now, definition of map. What is map? A map is a representation of a earth. A map is a representation of a earth or a portion of a earth drawn to a scale on a flat surface. बच्चों मैप क्या होता है? रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ अर्थ. अर्थ का रिप्रेजेंटेशन होता है या अर्थ का पोर्शन होता है जिसको ड्रॉन किया जाता है स्केल पर, ऑन अ फ्लैट सरफेस पे. अ मैप इज अ रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ अ अर्थ और अ पोर्शन ऑफ अ अर्थ drawn to a scale on a flat surface. The art of making map is very old. The art of making map is very old. The art of making maps is called cartography. The art of making maps is called cartography. तो cartography क्या होता है बच्चों? Art of making maps. The famous Roman geographer, that name Claudius Ptolemy. Claudius Ptolemy, who drew the word map in first time. In order to understand map, we have to study map language. Map language is called map reading. Map language is called map reading. So students, map reading involves retranslation of various symbols, shading, coloring into actual mountains, rivers, valleys. तो बच्चों मैप में हम ये जो मैप रीडिंग होती है इसको हम कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं? वेरियस सिंबल से, वेरियस कलर्स से, शेप से हम क्या करते हैं? फिजिकल फीचर्स को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. दिस लिस्ट ऑफ सिंबल इज कॉल्ड लेजेंड. Now, importance of maps. Importance of maps. There are so many importance of map. The read and use of maps are very useful for modern times. It is a very essential part of modern communication. It is not only useful part of the geographer but also the citizens worldwide. Map also provide information to geographers, city planners, city architects, guides, tourists, scouts, and also useful for students to gain the whole knowledge of the world. Map are being used for GIS. Do you know what is GIS? GIS means graphical information system. So map are being used for GIS through computers. So these are the importance of the map. And now next is types of map. Types of map. Types of maps. There are two types on the basis of scale. On the basis of scale. And on the basis of content. On the basis of content. तो बच्चों मैप दो तरीके के होते हैं, ऑन द बेसिक ऑफ स्केल और ऑन द बेसिक ऑफ कंटेंट. ऑन द बेसिक ऑफ स्केल मैप आर ऑफ टू टाइप्स, लार्ज स्केल मैप, स्मॉल स्केल मैप. Large scale map, small scale map. On the basis of content, maps are two types. Maps are three types: political map, physical, thematic maps. Large scale map are of two types: cadastral map, topographical map. Cadastral map and topographical map. Small scale map are of two types: wall maps, atlas map. Atlas maps. So types of classification of map. On the basis of scale, on the basis of content. On the basis of scale, map are two types: large scale map, small scale map. Large scale map are of two types: cadastral map, topographical map. Small scale map are also of two types: wall maps and atlas map. On the basis of content, there are three types of map: political map, physical map and thematic map. Now that's all for today. I will continue my chapter in my next video. Thank you for attending the class.